Hello kids. So again we are going to do our LPs. Okay. So for LPs we want to go with the blocks. We want to read the stories. We want to learn what is happening. Okay. So what we are going to do? We are going to learn our block 14 S1. So in your block 14 the volume whatever is there. So S1 we are going to do. Further, what is our aim today? We want to identify the characters and also the main event. What do you mean by the characters? See, if we take a story, in the story, the characters are the people or the animals, whatever are there, that is called as the characters. So the characters in the story, whoever are there, whatever the characters are there, you want to find the people who are there in that. So basing on that, you want to identify the character. Main event means what are they going to tell regarding what the story is. Are they telling some moral or they are telling about anything? Like if you are writing about flowers, sometimes we tell about vegetables, sometimes we talk about good habits. Like that in the story, what are they talking about? What is the main event of the story? What moral they want to give us? So basing on that is our main event. So what you want to do? You want to find the characters, you want to identify the characters, you want to underline them while the class is going on. You remember that? You want to underline the characters. Whoever the people are there, whoever the characters are there. So as if you take a movie, hero, heroine, the joker, the villain, whatever are there. So they all are the characters. The persons whom we see are the characters. In the same way, for a story, the people who are there, so those are the characters. In the same way, main event, try to write. Okay. So you want to identify. So what story we are going to learn? I don't like my hair. So what is that? I don't like my hair means hair whatever is there. See, some will have curly hair, straight hair, short hair, long hair, grey color hair, white color hair, black color hair. So different types they will have. But here in the story, someone is saying that I don't like my hair. Why? What is the reason? Why they doesn't like? Maybe he or she, we don't know. Okay. I don't like my hair. The person, the character. See, if you see I, means the character itself is telling the story. Maybe the character, because it is starting with I, means I am telling a story, then I will say I. Same, the character is telling the story, so character is telling I don't like my hair. So why? What is the reason? Let us learn. Okay, let us move to the textbook and open our textbook. So be ready with your textbook, children.
I don't like my hair. So it is a real. Can you see about the heading? What is it when? Genre. Genre means what is the story about? It is a realistic fiction. Fiction means which is not real. But why they are saying realistic fiction means? So it happens with children means the children normally feel. So whatever it happens, really it may happen. Though it is not real, it happens in some set situations like this. Okay. Now let us see what is happening in the story in page number 89. Nima had to go to a birthday party. His head felt like a porcupine's back. Nima looked in the mirror and said, I don't like my hair. As our aim is to identify the characters, children, remember that every character whom you are seeing here, you want to underline their names and you want to observe what is happening one after other regularly in the lesson. Okay, who are the characters and what is happening. So you can see Nima. Nima had to go. Where he wanted to go? So is it a character he or she? How come we tell that? You can see the pronouns they gave. Okay. So Nima had to go to a birthday party. His head. They said his head. So for whom do we use his? For a boy or for a girl? So it is for a boy. So we can say person he, a boy. We can see he wanted to go to a birthday party. He is getting ready for a birthday party and looked in the mirror. He looked in the mirror and said, I don't like my hair. Why? What is the reason? So with whom did he compare his head as? So you can see there his head felt like a porcupine's back. Can you see the back of the porcupine, how it is So it is not looking good. Yes. So in the same way how like some thorns are there. So his head he felt as it is the porcupine's back. So you can see he said that it is compared with a porcupine. So that's why he doesn't like his hair. I don't like my hair. That's why Nima doesn't like. So Nima doesn't. So when I'm using name, I say he or she, we can say doesn't. But when we use I, we can say I don't like my hair. So he said I don't like my hair. Now let us move to the next page and we want to find even the characters. Remember that check properly what characters we are finding in each and every page. Now in page number 90, let us see what is happening. Mummy gave Nima a new red shirt and a pair of blue jeans. He wore them and looked in the mirror again. Nima was not happy. I want to hide my hair, he said. So, in this next page, we can see Nima in a red shirt and blue pair of jeans. So, a blue jeans. So, who gave? Mama gave him. And is he happy now? No, he is not happy. He looked in the mirror and said he is not happy. He wants something to hide his hair. Now see next page, page number 91. So can you see there someone giving a hat? Nima is wearing a hat there. So let us find who it is. Nima's sister Anu gave him her favorite red hat. So who is there in this? There is one more character, Nima's sister. So what is her name? Anu. So what is her favorite thing here? We can see favorite red hat. So red hat is her favorite. Now she gave him her hat. Too frilly, said Nima and took it off. So is he happy with that? No, he is not at all happy. It's too frilly. He said it's too frills. More frills are there. Okay. So he doesn't like that frill. So he said that too frilly and he took it off. Now let us move to the next page, page number 92. So we can see one more character. Who is that? Just think over. Grandpa gave one of his hats to Nima. Now what did Grandpa give? Grandpa gave one of his hats. Even Grandpa has a hat. He has taken his hat and he gave one of his hats to Nima. Let us see how Nima feels now. Nima put it on. Too big, he said, and took it off. So Nima, he put on the big hat and he said it is too big. So when Grandpa gave Nima the hat, he put the hat on his head and he said that it is too big. So he took it off. So is he happy with that? No, he is not at all happy. So mother gave the dress, sister gave a hat and also Grandpa gave a hat, but they are not happy. Now let us see in page number 93 who is there and what is happening. Grandma opened the trunk of woolens and took out a colorful cap. Now what did Grandma do? She opened the trunk. Do you know the trunk? It is like a suitcase. So in the olden days it is made of iron. So an iron box which they use to store the things, it is called as a trunk. So Grandma opened the trunk of woolens and took out a colorful, can you see the colorful cap? Now let us see what happened when she gives it to Nima. Nima liked the cap, but it was too warm. He shook his head and took it off. So because wool keeps us warm, Nima found that the cap was too warm. So he felt like sweating. So he shook his head and took it off. So what is going to happen next? Open page number 94. So here we can find one more character and what happened, let us see. Nima felt sad. Just then the doorbell rang. It was Sonu, Nima's friend. Wow, you are looking smart, said Sonu. Nima was surprised. So till now what happened, he is thinking that he is not looking good and he is always changing the hat, something else like that. But when he was served, friend came. Who is his friend? Sonu. So the bell rang. He went and opened the door and you can see Sonu. Can you see Sonu? Nima's friend. What is he wearing? A red color cap with yellow shirt, green color knicker, yellow socks. Yes? So you can see Nima's friend Sonu. And what did he said? Wow, do you know it is a word which we use when we are in surprise or amazing. You're looking smart. So when Sonu said these words, Nima was surprised. Why? Let us see. Yes, I like your sandpaper head. Sonu laughed. It's like mine. So what did he said? I like your sandpaper head. By seeing the Nima's head, Sonu said it is like sandpaper head and my head is also the same, he said. Sandpaper head? Nima smiled. So can you see in the picture down on the page you can see even Sonu's hair is the same but he is covering it with a cap. He said that my hair is also like a same of your head but it is like sandpaper. Nima smiled and he said I call it porcupine. So he gave one more nickname like porcupine. So I call it porcupine. Who said these words? Nima said these words. So after seeing Sonu in the same with the same head, maybe he felt happy. That's why we can say that Sonu laughed here because he observed that even Sonu laughed here by seeing the Nima's head. Sonu laughed and and Nima also smiled and they both were discussing about their heads. Now what happened in page number 95? Let us check it out. Here you can see all the characters in one page. Okay. Now Nima's father, you can find Nima's father in this page, gave both of them colorful glasses. Who is both here? Both means Nima and Sonu. Okay, here the word both means it is also a pronoun which we use for the others. Yes. So here came Nima's father who gave both of them colorful glasses. How do they feel now? Let us see in page number 96. Oh, can you see they were singing the symbols which were there on the top, they resemble the singing. That means they are singing and going somewhere. They sang as they left for the party. Sandpaper head or porcupine, your hair is cool and so is mine. So they were singing a song. What is that song? Sandpaper head or porcupine, whatever you may call. You may call it as a sandpaper or you may call it a porcupine. Your hair is cool. So your hair is cool. So whose hair? The hair of Sonu and so is mine. That means my hair is also cool, he is saying. Who is saying here? Nima is saying. So both were singing, now they were happy and they were going. So here you can see how happy they are there. Now children, as our aim is to identify the characters, try to identify the characters who are there in this lesson and try on to complete your volume. And also remember what is happening in the beginning, later and everything, whatever is there you want to remember there. Now basing on that, let us do our volume in volume 2, page number 30. So open your volumes, page number 30. So here you have 3 bits. 1, 2 and the third one. So let us see the first one. Where are Nima and his family in the story? I don't like my hair. Now tick the box. So you can see some pictures. So which picture shows that from the lesson? So which picture is from the lesson? Basing on that picture you want to see and you want to tick it. Now second one, tick the main event of the story. You want to read the sentences here. Nima has to go to a birthday party. Is it the main event? Nima can't hide his hair under his cap. So he is sad. Is it about that one? Or Nima's grandma gives him a warm cap. So total lesson, not only one sentence from the picture or from one of the page, but totally what is there in the story, which sentence tells us. Basing on that you want to take the picture. Now let us move to the third question. Match the people in Nima's family with their gifts to Nima. So here some gifts are there, whatever the parents gave them the gifts. Maybe grandma, grandpa, father, mother, sister, everyone in that. So their names are given here. First one is Nima's mama gave her a hat. So that is done here. So its matching is done here. So did she give the hat? Who gave the hat? And what did Nima's sister give? And Nima's grandpa, Nima's grandma, Nima's father. If you see Nima's mama, you can say the shirt. Yes, she gave the blue jeans and the shirt. So you can see the dress he is wearing. That's why them two did the matching. Now, basing on other pictures, you try to do the matching and complete it. Okay. So do the matching properly by reading the words and complete it. And one more thing, can you see here? Nima apostrophe. Yes, this is not a contraction, but here you can find it is a possessive thing, means Nima's, that means the something which belongs to Nima. That's why they kept an apostrophe and a s. It means Nima's. It is Nima's mummy, Nima's sister, so on. Okay. Now complete and send it through WhatsApp.